The Schnee kommt, aber Vater Schnee kommt noch etwas noch stärker. Living quarters sale up to 40% off. This is mama's beginning, Gevre. It's gonna beat the snow. The sale is way stronger than the snow. So, Gevre, come out here. We have Yitzchak here from Living Quarters. Yitzchak,
Welcome, Chaim.
who's guys food?
So we have a crazy sale now. We are offering some couches at crazy prices. So for example, a couch like this, which is 100% genuine leather, it's 40% off right now.
40% off.
You can see the detailing on this couch. It's a stunning deal. It's real genuine leather. So this is, for example, it's going to be about $1,000 for a couch like this.
See, $1,000 for a couch, Gevre.
A little bit more than 1,000, it's 40%
A regular
off.
day, this is...
This is close to 2,000.
Gevre, look at that. Beat the snow, come out here.
We have a couch like this, a beautiful Italian, again, genuine leather reclining love seat.
How much is this?
20% off now. We have couches here. This is 40% off. So again, a couch like this is $8.99. A couch like this over here is $9.99. Again, all genuine leather. We don't sell any fake leather. So if you come in here, you get a couch at a good deal. It's genuine leather. So it's a good
you know
product
what you're getting.
and cheap.
Quality.
Yeah, it's not eco leather, premium leather, vegan leather, genuine, 100%.
What is the stock? The dritte stock.
So this is the third floor. We always have sale items on this floor. But again, now that we have the sale, we have some crazy deals. For example, a beautiful twin size bed like this is now $4.99.
Wow,
we have this
$4.99.
stunning day bed over here. The price on this now would be $9.99. Here we have a full row of beds at crazy discounts. So let's say a bed like this, fully upholstered, $4.99. All of these beds would be $4.99 over here.
$4.99 is such a bed, Gevre. Met zie je bij allemaal, was betreft is kan eigenlijk.
And then there's many pieces all over the floor. Some better deals than others. This is our room on the third floor where you can find crazy deals. You can find some nice scents for $100, $200, $300.
Wow, a nice
so
table.
anything in this room, if it works for you, it's a crazy deal. Now during the sale, we're also going to be offering 10% off on all mattresses.
So eigenlijk if not a mattress, 10% off.
10% off, yeah. We try selling the mattresses with the beds, but if you buy just a mattress, you'll get 10% off on a mattress.
Wow.
And now's the time for Hus and Kalas to come in. All of these collections here are going to be 10% off. So
Gevre 10% off on all these collections, all these beds over here, Gevre.
here we have another stunning collection,
Wow.
our exclusive
Gevre,
collection.
this
so
is
they're all going to
crazy.
be 10% off right now.
So if you have a car in the house, now
Now's the time
is
to
your
come.
time to come in, Gevre. Don't wait, don't say that yet.
Look at our selection of dinette tables. We sell many dinette sets. You can choose anything in all different sizes, but now we're going to be focusing on the sale. So for example, you have a table like this over here, 20% off, so it's a crazy deal. Here you have a table for 40% off, so you can get this, the regular price is $28.99, you can get it for under $2,000.
That's crazy.
A stunning porcelain top table.
Porcelain tables here, look at this
And
stuff
then
you have
here we're going to our dining room furniture. So here we have our dining room sets, table and chairs. So for example, let me show you a stunning chair that we just got in, and we're going to have this in time for Pesach. So we're offering this chair also at 10% off. So we have the armchair right here, the side chair right here.
It's a liftige winkel, huh?
Incredibly comfortable chair, very comfortable chair. We worked very hard on getting this to the right comfort level. Here you have an option of side chair, armchair, also heavily discounted. Here we have some tables also at great prices. So you have a beautiful, stunning dining room table here, matching buffet. You can do a three-door buffet. You can do a smaller buffet there. We have a curio, a bookcase. It's a part of a full collection.
This is all for how much percent off?
These are going to be 10% off. Again, significant savings.
Significant savings.
But these are 10% off. And then here we have a stunning dining room table. This is a 10-foot table, extends to 30 feet. Right now we're going to be offering this for $5,000. Again, real Italian wood table for $5,000.
Gevre, wow. Yitzchak, so beat the snow, but even if you don't beat the snow, how many days is the sale again?
So it's a 5-day sale starting today, going all the way to Thursday. I would advise customers to try to come today because there's a big snow expected. And what else would you like to know?
I want to know if you could extend the sale maybe a day or two if the snow is mamish aggressive.
We'll see. We'll see what's left.
We'll keep the oil up.
We might not have anything left.
It might be sold out. Yitzchak, what's the phone number if somebody can't make it and wants to order something?
So if you have any questions, you can call us at 718-256-4367. That's for our Brooklyn location. For Lakewood, you can call us at 732-367-6565. You can send us a message on WhatsApp. You can send us a message on Instagram at Living Quarters. Our WhatsApp phone number is the same as the store phone number.
Gewaldig,
And you can visit us in one of our showrooms. In
Brooklyn, Lakewood, what's the address again in Lakewood?
399 Cedar Bridge Avenue.
Okay, beautiful showroom. I was there in the past. Gorgeous. And over here in Brooklyn, it's probably the nicest showroom in Brooklyn either.
5926 60th Ave. You call it 16 and 60th. You can't miss it.
Can't miss it, Gevre. Gevre, this is where it is. You can't miss it. Come on over. Living Quarters. Yitzchak is waiting for you. Tell Yitzchak you saw the video and tell him that you want to order that beautiful thing that you saw in the video. Shkoyach Yitzchak.